Welcome to the exciting new world of AI Modeler. We bring you a groundbreaking feature, allowing you to effortlessly create stunning promotional images. No longer reliant on physical models, no longer constrained by shooting costs. Let us explore together. First, click Upload Now to enter our intelligent AI model creation interface. Upload your real model photo, select the clothing or product area you want to preserve, and click Submit. Next, you have options for choosing your AI model. You can directly select an AI model under Quick Template, or click Text Description to describe the desired features of your AI model in simple English. We will customize it for you. Click Generate, and the AI model will come to life before your eyes. On the right side of the page, you can monitor the real-time progress and view past projects. Once satisfied with the result, click the image for a preview, then hit Download to get your AI model image. We value your valuable opinions and feedback. AI Modeler 2.0 elevates your promotional images to a whole new level. Dive in and experience the future of creativity.